Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
I'm able to use the songs that I didn't make in this video because I am either friends with the musician or it's available through Creative Commons. You can't just take your favorite song and put it in a YouTube video, unless it's under Creative Commons and with proper credit. So don't go thinking that you can after hearing music that isn't my own in my video. The songs used in this video are linked in the description, as they always are.
Yeah, it still is. Okay. Oh, much less creepy. All right, we were about to get breakfast here at the Super National 9N, and I didn't like the vibe, so I was just gonna go guess while they eat, but they decided to skip out as well.
Oh, it's taking forever.
Well, and for me, I was just like, well, it's Fox News in the background and uncontrollable dogs in the table next to us. That dude kept going out from under the table. It should not have been in a restaurant. And if you're going to defend dogs inside a restaurant, on a patio, fine. Inside a restaurant, you don't defend it.
Yeah, don't speed.
Oh my god, this sucks so bad. I hate Wyoming.
It probably looks crazy even on timeline.
Well, you're right, exactly. Yeah.
It looks like you're going at a reasonable speed on timeline.
Right. Oh man. Okay, you can take it.
Are we there yet?
You can put it on time lapse. That's the drive-in to get to Crazy Horse, as you just saw. And as you saw, that's my parking spot. And there's the visitor center. That's some damn good look, if you ask me. And Mom's already taking pictures of plaques, I'm guessing. Oh shoot, I'll be right back. Yeah, that's what I thought. It started in the 90s.
Yeah, well, I mean, it even started
Well, they started shipping.
1968. That's pretty cool, isn't it? When it's done, it's supposed to look like this white statue on the bottom. But I don't even know if it'll be done in your lifetime.
It won't be.
Started it.
Well, they'll probably say in the movie.
Pardon me?
Oh. That's very true. Although it doesn't need the exclamation point. It works better without it. Exclamation mark. Well, there's a faraway look at Crazy Horse. I'm not sure if we're going to get closer. We'll see. We just saw the movie. It was interesting. Not really what I expected. But it's a beautiful museum. There it is without the window pane in the way. Again, probably the video doesn't do it justice. It is nice and big. And it's kind of cool, you can see the rough outline of a smiling dinosaur. I know it's a horse, but it's kind of funny to see it from here. It is pretty cool to see it in action, even if I'll never see it completed. Outside area is really pretty, actually. Smells good. I bet those are buffalo burgers. I haven't had one of those in a long time. I'm not sure if we're taking the bus tour to get closer or not. It's not high on my list of things to do, but we'll see what the other two would like. This area's a lot nicer than I thought it would be. And there's the 1/34th scale of what it should be. Wow, those are really pronounced nipples. But Aaron thinks it'll be completed. I don't know Mom's opinion, but I don't think it ever will be. We'll see. Hopefully I'm wrong, but I will never know if I'm right or wrong. So I'll assume I'm right. I'm a sucker for scale models. This one train. Actually, it's easier to tell right here. That dude is about to open his eyes and sing Grim Grinning Ghosts at any second now. These are all the extras they store. Interesting storage place in South Dakota, but whatever. We are on level 4, just in case we forget where we're parking. Actually, this whole trip we haven't had any problem with parking. But twice on our last 2 epic road trips, we both had problems. Do you remember where they were?
No.
Do you remember where both of our issues were?
What was that eventually?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
What was the other one? It was even worse. There you go. Those are the 2. Yeah, Canada's one eventually.
And look at, I got a piece of Crazy Horse.
Now you can hear all the role players up above us. But anyway, I was thinking to return this rock because it's a national monument, so they might have strict security. All right, there it is. Good enough for me. That's interesting. I didn't know that was down there. And then there they are, just a little bit closer. Okay. And I don't know where the other 2 are. I found the other 2. Well, that was a lot less crowded than I thought it would be. But now we have to, interesting, now we have to move on to our next destination. Gotta keep this train moving. Sorry, Froggy. This is actually a really cool, cute spot. That's the backside of the gift shop. Little dining area. We're just gonna have some quick hot dogs. I think she's getting dino bites, the chicken nugget things. But you get a really nice view of the backside, or the, I don't know, yeah, I guess the backside of Rapid Springs, Rapid City? I think it's Rapid City. In South Dakota. But up there, I think I already showed you, there's some dinos. We'll be going there after lunch. But a nice little break. We are here at Dinosaur Park. It's kind of cute. What was that, hon?
I went to Triceratops. This is cool. They built these dinosaurs in 1930s.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
It's cool that back then they knew what, like the size and shape of them too.
Oh yeah. They're having fun with panorama shots. I don't think it turned out the way they wanted it to. But we're at the top of Dinosaur Park. Wonder where that train is. It sounds far away. Life's great
Let's go
mysteries
stand by his leg, Aaron.
will never be solved. We're here, the supposed Mecca of South Dakota. Will it live up to expectations? Almost certainly not. Well, it's bigger than I thought it would be, but it's also less, I don't know, it's cute, a little kitschy. It has a bit of charm. I'm not sure how I feel about it just yet. It is fun. I'll give it that much.
I don't think so.
It's a bunch of crap really, but there's some cool displays like this is.
Boys are taking a break. Check out the cowboy orchestra at the front of the city.
I guess we're in the backyard? Oh, yep. Drug backyard. A jackalope. Oh.
Dinner, I just want to stick around for
Like great big lions and grizzly bears.
Beware, T-Rex, 12 minutes?
I don't know what that means.
How long has it been, dude? It's been almost 12 minutes? No? Yes? Okay. Ooh, here's the room for you. Nothing but plaques. you're gonna run out of room on your SD card. This all fits, except for that head. But don't twist it too much. Just it's that one. Even if it makes no sense. Praise and Demon heading to. Weird font to use.
And his brother.
Doc. Doc, gotcha. Kind of cute. I can't pan for gold.
You could have a dinosaur park.
Hi. They choose the weirdest fonts for these things, then. That's interesting. All our key cards are right there and checking in. There's no back room for it. Well, we didn't get a magnet, but we did get that 5-cent coffee that cost $9.50 somehow.
No, I didn't get 5-cent coffee because it was way smaller. I got the bigger one.
Okay. Oh, and there's Flower Frog. We got him at the Dinosaur Museum. Not Dinosaur Museum. Dinosaur Park?
Yeah.
Anyway, it was okay. It just didn't have much of a soul. And it was too all over the place. But it was fun. It was definitely fun and worth stopping.
A lot of hidden stuff.
Yeah. A lot of plaques, a lot of pictures in newspaper clippings of good stuff about Waldra. They were just patting themselves on the back a lot. But on to our next step.
Hello, Mr. Man upstairs. Can you come down here and look at this TV? Remote has run out of juice.
Oops, there's my arm, and there's my pizza. Aaron's eating it, even though he's not waiting the proper 2.5 hours before the pizza cools. And this pizza's a little interesting. It doesn't look interesting, but yet it is.
Why is it interesting?
What's this right here?
A thin stick.
Yeah, it's cinnamon right in the regular pizza. And it's good. Yeah, it comes with icing. Aaron didn't believe me when you get icing with your pizza. But you do. Cute face. And it's good. Very cheesy. It's smoky again. When was the last time it was like this? 2 days ago?
Yeah.
Smoke.
Yeah.
The smoke has come back. The antenna's loose and the dials are missing, so I can't turn it on. No, I can't turn it on. Chromatic aberration tends to make it worse than if you were there to see it in person. Gotta fix up the connection just to get it working again.
know if it comes out well in this video, but this smoke is easily the most intense we've seen, right?
Yeah, and it even smells like campfire.
Yeah,
here
it
and
smells.
pet water.
Right. It definitely smells fire. The other ones, it just, we're pretty sure it was smoke, but this is, geez Louise. And you said this is from a Canadian fire?
Yeah, that's what it said.
Yeah.
Canadian wildfires.
But yeah, for a while it was very eerie to see the, oh, you might have saw in the video, the signs for gas when it changed from red to green. It pretty much changed half the sky. Anyway, we're here and we're about to go in. All right, we're at the room for the night. Please leave the door locked at all the time. I love broken English. We are upstairs. And room not 254, 252. At the Roadway Inn at Mitchell. All right, bud. Let's do this.
Hold on.
Okay, while we hold on. Hey, hon, come over here. Let's chat it up a little. Because I want to gloat a little. Ooh, these pillows are nice. Do you like these pillows?
I don't know, I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, okay.
Let me try. Let's see what kind of room. Oh, yeah. Oh. Maybe this one will have a number on it.
Okay, great. So, tell me, you were reading in the car. What were you reading on? Up on?
There's fires in
Nope.
Canada.
No, we already talked about that. What else were you reading up? That makes me happy.
Crazy horse.
Well, it doesn't make me happy. It makes me feel a little less unclean, but it only confirms
There's
my
only
feeling.
like 4 people that work on it, and they only do it during like winter, and then sometimes in the winter they can't work on it, obviously, because it's winter.
And why don't they do it year round?
Because
Work
you
on
pay
it.
$125 and you can get on top of the arm, so they don't do it because people aren't going to it.
And why are there only 4 workers?
I have no idea.
Yeah, because it's a cash cow for the white people. That's why I didn't like the movie so much. It seemed like almost exploitative, whatever, you know the word I'm trying to use. The original guy, his heart seemed pure.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
The original guy, yeah, he had a pure heart. The rest of them. But anyway, that we're now in Mitchell for the night. We're not in Mitchell for the night?
We are.
Okay, what's wrong?
Whatever.
I
I still liked it. I
liked it. I liked being there, but I feel a little less clean. Okay, so
I wish you liked stuff.
I do love stuff. I thought it was beautiful, but they haven't done much since 2005 because they only have 4 people and they work 1 month out of the year.
That's not true.
Okay, it's minor exaggeration. Good day. A lot of traveling. You saw everything that we saw. Pizza was interesting. I think we already talked about that. Tomorrow is not as much driving, but we'll still be driving.
4
Slowly.
hours.
Driveling.
We're going to be driving for not too bad.
4 hours.
4 hours, that's nothing. I just drove 4 hours, and that was easy from wherever we were last.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like before Waldrop. Like I think you drove
Yeah, Waldrop. Yeah, that's what it was.
a little bit before. Like I think from Rapid City to here it's about 4 hours.
Yeah, no big deal at all. So, we are quickly approaching the end of our trip, and it's funny, we're all looking forward to going home, but it hasn't felt like it's been 4+ weeks, has it?
It hasn't been 4+ weeks yet.
Actually, it has today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. 28.
No.
There's 28 days in 4 weeks.
Yep.
It doesn't feel like 4
I
weeks.
know, that's what I'm
but
saying.
That's weird.
All right, but tomorrow gets us that much closer to our end goal, which is getting home safely. So, with that in mind, Aaron, press the safe button to get us home.